किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से और बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ वन स्टॉक टू बाय वन स्टॉक टू सेल दिस वीक जीई एयरस्पेस यूनाइटेड एयरलाइंस PCE inflation data Q4 earning session Supreme Court tariff ruling Davos World Economic Forum will be in focus in the holiday shortage week ahead. GE Aerospace is primed for an earning fueled rally this week. United Airlines could eat the turbulence on soft resilience sector headwinds. Looking for the actionable trade idea for the week ahead. Subscribe to unlock access the investing AI selected stock winner for 55% off. US stock dipped on Friday, closing the week with the modest losses for the Dow Jones Industrial Average, S&P 500, and the Nasdaq as traded witnessed the latest comment made by the President Donald Trump related to the Federal Reserve and the geopolitics. For the week, the 30 stock fell 0.3%. The benchmark S&P 500 declined 0.4%, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite the set of 0.7%. The small cap Russell 200 jumps 2%, reaching another record closing high on Friday. More volatility could be in store in the week ahead as the investor assessed the outlooks for the economy, inflation, the interest rates, and the corporate earnings. And the ongoing the trade and geopolitical tensions, President Trump said on the Saturday that 8 NATO members will face the escalating tariff of up to 25% unless a deal is struck for the US buying Greenland. US the market will be closed Monday for observance of the Martin Luther King's holiday on the economics calendar. Most important will be Thursday. Core and PCE price index, which is the Fed favorite inflation of gives. Meanwhile, the fourth quarter earnings session shifts into higher gear, with the reported expected for the several high-profile companies, including the Netflix, Nasdaq, Netflix, Intel, Nasdaq INTC, United Airlines, Nasdaq UAL, Procter & Gamble's, NYSE PG, Johnson Johnson, NYSE J&J, G Aerospace, NYSE GE, and 3M Company, NYSE MMM. Investors are also waiting for the US Supreme Court to issue a ruling on the legality of President Trump's global tariff after not doing so late week. The court will also hear the arguments about Trump's attempts to remove Fed Governor Lisa Cook. And finally, news is also likely to roll out of Davos, Switzerland, where Trump is set to attend the World Economic Forum. Regardless of which direction the market goes, below one highlight one stock likely to be in a demand and another which could see fresh downside. Remember, through my time frames is just for the week ahead, Monday, January 19, Friday, Jan 2023.